How to log out of your Super App account on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Super App account on PC. If you are logging to your Super App account on PC on any of your web browser, then here's how you can log out from that account. First of all, open the browser where you are being logged in. And once you open the browser, now in the search bar, type in the URL app.super.so. This is the official URL of Super App. Once you have entered it, press on the enter button to search for it. And then you will be taken to the official website of Super App. Here, if you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, now you will be able to see different options at the left sidebar. From here, you will need to click on this account option. Simply click on it and then you will be presented with your account page. In this page, at the top right, you will be able to locate Logout option. Now, simply click on this Logout button and soon after doing that, you will be logged out from your Super App account on your browser. Now, if you want to log in back to your account, you will need to use your email address and password and log into your account. Or you may also use your Google account or Apple ID in order to sign in to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Super App account on PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.